Good afternoon, and we made it to the Big Boulder ski area. Welcome in. Poconos have been a great experience so far. Haven't been let down. Welcome to Big Boulder ski area, where in 1956, the first ever snowmaking took place right here on your friendly East Coast. We developed the snowmaking. About 15 trails here today. I'm not sure how many are open. We're working with a vertical of 475 feet, which is finally a new number. Excited to get out there, see what's going on. It's the smaller of the two here. They combine them on the ticket. So if you buy a ticket at Jack Frost, it's good at Big Boulder ski area as well, which is pretty cool. Got a nice little lake at the base. This is a beautiful spot. I'm not gonna lie. I'm sure in the summer it's awesome. Unfortunately today, this is the afternoon. So typically I get there first, first bird gets all the worms. Not the case today, so 2 resorts in a day, pretty fun. I'm going snow tubing later tonight. I'll probably tie that into this video. Excited to get out Big Boulder ski area, and let's get ripping. Welcome to Mini Tahoe, folks. Feeling like Michaela Schifrin out here. Let's go. Well, we're all wrapped up here at Big Boulder ski area in the Pocono. Warmed up, sun hit it. I got there in the afternoon. Jack Frost was a little earlier in the day. Had a good time overall. Definitely gonna give this place a 3.1 tread score. It's really not too bad. In fact, this would be a really good mountain to have someone learn how to ski. I recommend coming out here with your family, renting skis and going down the hill if that's what you're looking for. Runs were nice. They were wide. You could practice your skills. I hope you all enjoy the video. I don't actually have next week planned because Whitetail keeps letting me down. So hopefully y'all don't let me down and I can get out to you guys next Saturday. So looking forward to it, and I'll see you next time.
Oh, I forgot about you guys.
I know.
Oh my God.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
Oh my God.